Hi, I'm Jenny Sheehan with Reverse Coffee Shop. We are at day 2 of the International Roofing Expo here in Las Vegas. And Camden and I have been walking around like crazy looking at all the different booths. We found our way over to our friends at Reworked.ai. I've been able to take a little bit of a break on my feet, which I appreciate.
So happy for that.
So Sham, how are you today?
I'm doing fantastic. I've got a lot more of the break today because I've been sitting a lot more, I feel like, today. But the show has been fantastic. We've had a super busy 2 days. I was walking the floor at IRE last year. It's our first show sponsoring.
Yeah.
And I can see why people come here. It's the place to be.
I love it. This is my second time being here also, so it's been really fun to learn and see everybody. But why don't you introduce yourself and then tell us kind of what you got going on in the booth this year?
Yeah, so we are Reworked.ai. We are, as I said, first time sponsoring here. We're presenting our fantastic product to residential roofers who are doing retail sales, as well as rejuvenation. So we are one of the first in the market to present this type of product, which is, with unlike the traditional marketing, people say life is a circle. And I feel like marketing is a bit of a circle now where it's coming back to traditional marketing methods.
Yeah.
But you can just go back to traditional methods and send mailers and door knock without being smart, without using technology.
Right.
So our whole product, which is entirely self-serve, is we're using Eagle View's aerial imagery to find bad roofs and our proprietary propensity algorithms to find good homeowners. So bad roofs, good homeowners. And we sell these opportunities at $1.79, no commitment, no subscription, and the industry loves it. Every roofer we've spoken to today or the last several months now love it. Love it for the flexibility, love it for getting them those opportunities even before some of their competition gets to them.
Yeah, it almost sounds too good to be true. It's like, okay, it's really that easy?
It is super easy. In fact, let me give you a quick demo of this
Yeah.
here. So, as I said, it is self-serve, no subscription. You don't pay to sign up. So what I'm going to walk you through now is just a few of the capabilities that we have. So as soon as you sign up, it takes you through a questionnaire which asks you, okay, what is the channels that you're pursuing? Are you doing direct mail, SMS, text, phone call? Are you retail, rejuvenation? Because each of these answers, they actually, pick the right algorithm on the back end, right?
Yeah.
So once they've done, they set up their profile. Next, what they do is they could do one of three things, or all three. One of them is lead score, right? So if you already have a list of opportunities that you would have otherwise pursued, you can upload that list, and we will score them for you. So now you can be smarter about who to reach out to.
Absolutely.
So in fact, this is the premise on how the company was started: is efficiency and being smart. So that's lead scoring. Then we have finding opportunities where you just enter geography. Again, at this point, you've not paid a dime.
Sure.
You enter geography. It's either zip code or county or city, and then you hit next. It'll come up with a number of opportunities, and then you press next, and that's when you pay. Again, per transaction. You're not subscribing to anything. So what you get is a file. So it takes about 3 to 6 hours for it to process.
Okay.
At the end of it, you get a file with names, addresses, and if you selected some add-ons like phone numbers or emails, you get those as well.
Yeah.
So a lot of customers are like, hey, this is great, but we want to actually call them. So then we added the phone number up in.
Yeah.
Now, so in addition to that, you could also get a roof report, which is, again, powered by Eagle View. So all of this, so by the way, we are running a promotion for IRE.
Yeah. Okay.
Which is 2 for 1. So you buy one, you get one free. And we'll be running that for the next few days.
Amazing. That's so incredible. So you've gotten so many people. I mean, just even as we were setting up to talk with you, people are just nonstop walking up to your booth, asking who you are, what you're doing. What are you hoping for this year, for 2026?
Yeah, so quick thing on that. My booth neighbor was telling you, how is it that you guys are getting all the people stopping by your booth? So for once, we feel like,
Yeah, exactly.
So yes, it feels good. But we are hoping for an amazing year ahead of us. We launched this partnership or a collaboration with Eagle View in October of last year, and since then, it's been up and to the right. We're onboarding many customers almost every day. So yeah, this 2026 is going to be huge for Reworked.ai and me personally. So yeah.
That is so exciting. I love that you're offering deals with homeowners right as you're talking to them too. I mean, I think it's so important for you not only to talk about it, but then for them to see it immediately, be able to use it,
Right.
try it out for themselves.
Absolutely.
And I think, like you said, just the efficiency itself pays off.
Right. Totally, yeah. So, our customers are using it in many different fashions and forms. Some of them get the list and they do smart door knocking,
Sure.
as opposed to knock on every door. So
Right.
they're doing smart canvassing, or they do direct mail and canvassing. They kind of warm up the homes before they actually get there. They're also doing text campaigns. So they're doing various, in fact, some of them do an omni-channel approach where they hit them with multiple, hit the homeowner multiple different ways. But again, fundamentally, what we are providing is sort of the need markets, right? Like we are providing our customers with homeowners that don't even realize they need a new roof.
Right. No, I absolutely love it. It's been so great to talk to you. You can check out Reworked.ai on Roofers Coffee Shop, but they have their directory up. It'll take you straight to their site to give you access to all of those great resources. And they're doing their 2-for-1 sale with IRE. So make sure to check that out as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.